Hi everyone, I'm CHEN. The program that I study at University Malaysia Sabah is Bachelor degree in Financial Management and Banking. My hometown is Sandakan, Sabah, and that is the place where I currently live right now. In my family, I have a younger sister, but now only my father and I still live at Sandakan, Sabah. My favorite food is chicken rice, and that is the only food that I won't get tired of eating it every day. And sometimes I could be an extrovert person, and sometimes I could be an introvert person, because I need to see the situation. Such as if I want to know some new friends, maybe I could be an extrovert person too. And I really enjoy this 3 semester, although it's only online learning, but I still looking forward to go to Kota Kinabalu to enjoy my university life, because Kota Kinabalu is the only place that I've been to travel, so I really feel excited for the next semester, and I also hope I can see my classmates, even though we already become the online friends for this 3 semester. And now already the 4th semester, but we never met this before. So that's all for me. Thank you.